Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your website with GoDaddy. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To secure your website with GoDaddy, start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Products page. Here, locate the website you want to secure. Click on Manage next to the appropriate domain. In the Domain Management section, look for the Security tab. Click on SSL Certificates to begin the process of adding a certificate. If you don't already have an SSL certificate, you can purchase one from this section. Choose the type of SSL certificate that best fits your needs. After purchasing, follow the prompts to set up your SSL certificate. You will need to select the domain for which you want to apply the certificate. Next, verify your domain ownership as instructed. This may involve confirming an email sent to the administrative contact for the domain. Once confirmed, the SSL certificate will be issued. It may take a few moments to generate and install the certificate. After installation, navigate back to the Security tab to ensure the SSL is active. You should see a green indicator showing the SSL status is active. Next, update your website settings to ensure all pages use HTTPS instead of HTTP. This can often be done in the website builder or content management system you are using. Check your website to ensure everything is functioning properly after the changes. It's also helpful to set up automatic redirects from HTTP to HTTPS. This ensures that visitors are always directed to the secure version of your site. Lastly, regularly monitor your site to ensure your SSL certificate is always up to date. With these steps, your website will be secured with GoDaddy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.